It was too perfect. It looked machine-made. Which I can assure you is totally up to your precious code.
I want to thank every Amazon employee. Seriously, and every Amazon employee, thank you from the bottom of my heart very much. It's very appreciated. Because you guys paid for all this.
Well, please consider the phone.
The fuck is that? Shit! Shit flying in my mouth. Let's get the fuck out this country, motherfucker.
Don't trust the police, no justice, no peace. They got me face down in the middle of the street.
John, what the hell? I thought you loved this car. Well, the motor's about to fall out. The chassis is all bent up. The drive shaft is all destroyed. I don't know if you noticed, but you got a crack in your windshield. Man,
That should be.
I can fix this. It'll be ready Christmas 2030.
Nice.
It's not rocket science.
Perfect.
People who buy things are suckers.
None of this is up to code.
Sure it is. The whole thing only took me about 20 minutes. Any moron with a crucible and a acetylene torch and a cast iron waffle maker could have done the same.
Come on, do it. Lay it on right here, do it.
Merry Christmas! Dinner was full!